Let's start with push-ups. Push-up is such an important workout. By doing some pattern of push-ups, we can develop our upper body's major muscles. But today I will not talk about only upper body. I will talk about whole body. Want to get muscular body without joining gym? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And already I have uploaded a video about it, how to get muscular body without joining gym, staying at home. But to get result fast, some equipments are must needed. Here you can see the gym equipments are completely homemade, which I have made using dye methods. All the exercises you can see here are selected based on beginner to advanced. So anyone can do this exercise. He could be young or younger. Diet is also important beside workout to get muscular body. I will not suggest you to purchase any kind of supplement for your diet. I will suggest you to eat for your diet what you regularly eat, but in a routine. Some changes may be applied. If you don't have any kind of gym equipments, it will not make any big issue. In the downside of end screen, you will get a video about it, and in the upper side, you will get a detailed video about how to do full body workout. Like this informative video to make muscular body and to keep fitness yourself, and for support us, you may like, comment, share and subscribe.